Replacing a rusted out or broken exhaust system can be a rewarding and fun project. Let's walk through the steps to get your car sounding great again using footage from our Road to Apex episode. First, let's make sure that you've got everything you need. You'll need to get underneath the vehicle, so a car jack with stands or drive-up ramps with wheel chocks are essential for safety. Grab your wrenches, ratchets, an extender, and maybe a breaker bar or cutting tool if the old system is tough to remove. If the bolts on the old system are rusty, spray them with some penetrating oil and give it some time to work in. Make sure you have all the components for the install, including your new exhaust system from AP Emissions. Don't forget to replace old rubber hangers, gaskets, and hardware. AP Emissions direct fit catalytic converters come with all the necessary installation hardware included, so we've got you covered there. A shady spot, ball game on the radio, and a cooler full of cold ones can make the job even more enjoyable. If you're replacing a catalytic converter due to a catalyst inefficiency code, it's a good idea to call our tech line at 1-800-277-2787 first. We'll help you make sure that there are no other underlying vehicle issues or active OBD2 codes that could affect the installation. Getting the old system off can be the most time-consuming part, so give yourself plenty of time. A metal saw, cutting tool, or a cutting torch to blast through rusted pipe or fasteners can save some time there, but it's not usually required. Manifold catalytic converters like these are often the trickiest to remove. You might need to remove a windshield cowl or other engine bay components to access them. Be sure to research the specific steps for your vehicle or give our tech line a call at 1-800-277-2787 for expert guidance. We're here to help you with even the toughest jobs. With the old system removed, start at the engine and work your way back, hand tightening the bolts as you go. Once everything is loosely in place, secure the system by tightening the flange bolts or the C-clamps from the engine all the way back to the tailpipe. Be sure to evenly tighten both sides of any C-clamp for a perfect fit. With the new system installed, go ahead and start it up. Listen to that sweet exhaust note. Your car has never sounded better. An exhaust system from AP Emissions is clean by design, designed to fit, and built to last. And when it comes to catalytic converters, we keep the light off. So pick up an exhaust system from AP Emissions today. Call our tech line at 1-800-277-2787 tomorrow, and let's get your car fixed this weekend. Monday's around the corner. It's going to sound great. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future developments from AP Emissions Technologies.